Ever start cooking dinner and realize your oven takes forever to crisp your wings, your fries come out soggy, or you're stuck using tons of oil just to get that golden crunch? What if I told you there's a way to get perfectly crispy, juicy meals faster, cleaner, and healthier without all the hassle? Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the Gourmia 7-quart air fryer, a kitchen gadget that promises crispy, golden results with almost no oil. Whether you're feeding a family, meal prepping for the week, or just want an easier way to cook, this air fryer could be a real game changer. I've been testing it for a few weeks, and I'm excited to break down everything you need to know. First off, the design is sleek and modern. Black finish, compact enough for most countertops, but still big enough to handle family-sized portions. The 7-quart basket is surprisingly roomy. You can cook a full tray of wings or even a small roast. It feels solid and well-built, and the materials are easy to clean, especially since the basket and accessories are dishwasher-safe. Plus, it has this cool panoramic window and interior light, so you can actually watch your food cook without opening it. Now let's talk about what really matters. The FryForce 360 degrees technology * circulates hot air rapidly, so food cooks evenly and comes out crispy. Think fried texture without drowning your meal in oil. There are 12 one-touch presets like air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and more, which makes cooking super straightforward, even if you're new in the kitchen. It also gives guided prompts like add food or turn food, which helps prevent uneven cooking. And for those who hate beeping gadgets, there's an optional mute setting so it's quiet but still keeps you on track. Overall, it's fast, efficient, and pretty low maintenance. Here's the honest breakdown. On the plus side, you get large 7-quart capacity, great for families. Crispy, even cooking thanks to FryForce 360 easy-to-use presets and guided cooking prompts dishwasher-safe parts, making cleanup a breeze. Quiet operation if you enable mute mode on the downside. It's a bit bulky, so counter space could be an issue. The 3D holographic display is cool, but can feel gimmicky to some. Cooking very large items like a whole turkey might still be tricky, if you're a busy family cook, love fried foods. Without the guilt, or do weekly meal prep, this is a solid choice. But if you only cook for 1 or 2 people, or you have limited counter space, you might find a 7-quart size overkill. Compared to other air fryers in the same price range, the Gourmia stands out with its large capacity, guided cooking prompts, and that futuristic window and light combo. Some competitors might be slightly cheaper, but you often trade off features or build quality, so this one feels like a good balance of performance and convenience. Overall, I'd give the Gourmia 7-quart air fryer * an 8.5 out of 10. It delivers on speed, ease of use, and, most importantly, delicious results with minimal oil. For family dinners, snacks, and meal prep, it really shines if you want to make your kitchen life easier and enjoy healthier, crispier meals. Check out the link in the description. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss more honest gadget reviews like this one.